Today in front of me I have the EUFY Indoor Cam 2K pan and tilt, and in this video I will show how you can enable, disable and overall manage the sound detection feature in this security camera. To start, you will need to take your phone, launch the EUFY security app, then go into your camera settings, sound detection, and here on top you have the master toggle that allows you to enable this feature or disable it respectively. Once activated, you can set your detection preferences, such as which sound will the camera react to, all sound or only to the crying of a baby, for example. If you have this camera mounted in your child or baby room and you want it to react and to let you know once your child is crying, you can set it to the crying mode, and you can also adjust its sensitivity here. Anywhere between lowest and highest values, 5 total values to choose from. And well, as far as the sound sensitivity feature goes, that will be more or less it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.